Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to our lesson 3 for this week. We are going to continue talking about skip counting, but we are going to skip count today by tens, which is something that we do every day on our calendar, so this should be easy peasy for us. Alright, so we're going to practice with our hands right here because there are 10 fingers with both of our hands, which is why we push 10 when we do calendar. So you guys push 10 as we count to 100. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So up on our screen is 100 fingers right now. All right, let's count again with the toes. Are you ready? Because we have 10 toes on both our feet. 10, 20, 30, count with me, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. There are 100 toes on our screen right now. Alright, boys and girls, let's move to the next one. We are going to put our tens counting on the hundreds chart so we can look at the pattern for it. So, let's start at 10. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. What do you notice about skip counting by tens? The big thing that Mrs. G notices is that all of the tens numbers to skip count by are all in the same row on our hundreds chart. Kind of like how it was for our twos and for our fives. Alright, boys and girls, so what we are going to do is we are going to look at your math packet pages. We have numbers up here, and we're going to count. There are 10 beads on each of these bracelets. So what I would like you to do is skip count by 10 as we cross them off, okay? And we're going to figure out which number to circle for how many are up here. Let's count the blue bracelets first. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. Which of these numbers is 40? It's this one, 40. All right, let's count the pink bracelets. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Which number down below here is 60? Is it this one? No, that's 16. Is it this one? No, that's 80. Is it this one? Yes, it is. All right, our last one. Let's count our green bracelets. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Which of these numbers down below are 100? It is right here, smack dab in the middle. 100 is 100. All right, boys and girls, your next page is making groups of 10. So what we are going to do is we're going to choose a different color each time. And we're going to make a group of 10. Ready? So we're going to start at this one. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to circle it to make a group of 10. So go ahead, get different colored crayons so that we can circle the different groups, okay? So here's a group of 10. Let's switch colors and we'll do a different one. Ready? So we're going to start right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's another group of 10. So we're going to circle this one with our red marker. And then we will do green. Are you ready? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So circle our group of 10 with green. How many groups do we have? How many groups of 10 do we have? We have 1 up here, so 1, 2, 3. So let's count them by tens, because that is quicker when we skip count. Ready? 10, 20, 30. So our answer down here, how many? Is there 20, 30, or 40? There are 30. Nice job, boys and girls. All right. We are going to go right to here. So for this one, drag out the 10 sticks below to count by tens to 50. So up here, we have our place value that we count in our calendar, all right? So let's count to 100 using the 10 sticks, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we're going to drag out the 10 sticks below to count by tens to 50. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How many 10 sticks do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 10 sticks. All right, boys and girls. So what we're going to do is you are going to circle 70 on this page, all right? So we're going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We're not going to cross out anymore because we're only counting to 70. So that should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bracelets or 7 groups of 10. Now down below, we're only circling how many? 5, 0, 50. Okay, so we're going to skip count to 50 and stop at 50, all right? So don't forget to yell stop when we get to 50 so we know to stop. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We're going to stop right there because that's all we're counting to and circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 sticks. All right, boys and girls, you are going to do the same thing that you did with the ladybugs. You're going to circle the groups of 10, so pick out different colors. And you're going to circle the groups of 10, okay? So connect them to make 10 at first, just like we did with the ladybugs. Ready? I'll do the first group with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we'll circle this one. So there's one group of 10. All right, and we'll just go ahead and do this together. So ready? We're going to count, get a different color, and we're going to count another group of 10. Ready? 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So I wanted them grouped together a little better. So we're going to circle our group of red leaves. All right, and then let's see if we can make another group. 1, we'll do a different color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we make another group of 10? No, we cannot. So we are not going to be making another group of 10. those ones are left over, all right? So those are ones. So just when we count by tens and then stop by ones, count by ones, that's what we're going to do with the leaves. Ready? So 10, 20, count by ones, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So how many in all? There are 25 in all. All right, boys and girls, and that is it for our lesson today. I will see you guys tomorrow.